I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Jeep Gladiator versus Ram Rebel. The Gladiator is a mid-size truck built for serious off-roading, while the Rebel is a full-size truck offering a blend of capability and comfort. Both share a common heritage but cater to different drivers. We will explore their unique strengths and help you decide which one best fits your adventurous lifestyle and daily needs. When it comes to off-road prowess, the Gladiator truly shines with its trail-rated capabilities, including excellent articulation and water fording. The Rebel, however, is no slouch, offering a robust suspension and aggressive tires for tackling tough terrain. Both provide strong engine options, ensuring you have the power needed for any adventure, whether on or off the pavement. For utility, the Gladiator offers impressive towing for a mid-sized truck, reaching up to 7,700 pounds. The Rebel, being a full-size option, significantly surpasses this, capable of towing over 11,000 pounds. Payload capacities also differ, with the Rebel typically handling more weight. Consider your hauling needs carefully when choosing between these two capable trucks. Inside, both trucks offer comfortable cabins and user-friendly infotainment. The Rebel often leans towards a more refined interior with premium materials and advanced technology, while the Gladiator maintains a rugged, functional aesthetic. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize raw off-road readiness or a more luxurious daily driving experience. And speaking of practical solutions, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals. We hope this comparison helps you choose the perfect truck for your adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.